Today we are going to discuss about immunoglobulin A or otherwise called as IgA. It is one kind of a secretory antibody which is seen in a seromucous secretion of our body. So they are present in GI tract as well as nasopharyngeal tract and urogenital tract. Further, it is also found in a tears, saliva and sweat. So basically this immunoglobulin present in body secretions, and the basic purpose of this secretion that to prevent attachment of bacteria and virus on mucous membrane of this GI tract, nasopharyngeal or urogenital tract. So by these particular antibodies, they are helping to prevent entry of any bacteria or virus through this mucous membrane. So in the structure of this immunoglobulin A, that is different from the routine structure of the immunoglobulin. The basic difference that is about the heavy chain is made up of the alpha variety, and light chain that is similar as the other antibodies, that is kappa or lambda variety. Apart from that, there is a J chain and S piece that is present in the structure of the immunoglobulin A. So that we will look about J chain and S piece. Further, it is also known as a 11S immunoglobulin, or sometimes it is in the form of 7S as well as 9S. Now about molecular weight, that is about 3,85,000 Dalton, but if there is a single unit, it may be of a 1,80,000 Dalton. So depending on the unit, it may be of a different molecular weight. Immunoglobulin A usually are a dimers. So these are containing of a total 4 heavy chains and 4 light chain. Now further, there is a J chain that is connecting these two units of the immunoglobulin A, and it is making a dimer. Further, apart from this J chain, there is a one more unit that is called a secretory piece, and the basic function of this secretory piece to stabilize against proteolytic enzyme. So these dimer are stabilized against proteolytic enzyme by this secretory piece that is also present over the A immunoglobulin A. So here there is a secretory component that is present in between these two units, and that is helping to prevent that any proteolytic damage. The secretory piece is generally produced inside the liver, reaches to the intestinal mucosal cell where it combines with the immunoglobulin A. Now interesting is that it is reaching over the intestinal mucosal cell. So mostly this IgA that is also present in this secretion of the GI tract. So where it combines with the IgA dimer to form the secretory immunoglobulin A, and then it is released into the GI tract or gastrointestinal tract. So that is all about the importance of the IgA in our body. Further, this IgA does not fix the complement. So you have to remember that particular complement fixation function that is done with the IgG. So that's all about the immunoglobulin A, or called as a secretory antibody.